guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, 𝓒𝓂, and today I'm going on the beach with my brother, my boo, and my big cousin. So yes, I will see you guys when I reach on the beach. So yes. Hey guys, so we're at the beach. Yes, so that's the look. Yeah, there's a boat right there. So guys, I'm going in the water just now. You could see the water from here. So right now we're at what do you call that? Small beach. Yeah, so like I'll just give you guys some little videos throughout, like the time on the beach and stuff like that. So yes, so like watch the beautiful view. He wants to do a flip. Yes, I'm ready. Look at. My turn. Now my turn. Let me show you what I can do. What I can do. Don't laugh at me. Ready?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay, guys, like I'm having fun. I'm in the water. I look cute. So yes, I look like a mess, but I'm cute. So I'll be back in a few. Guys, like I'm all wet. I am enjoying myself right now at the beach. I'm in the water. So yes. Hey guys, so we're done on the beach. We're heading home. My brother is way ahead. He like to walk fast. Like yes. I had a lot of fun today. I'll try to do more like videos like that, like when I go anywhere. So you know, I'll bring you guys along with me. So guys, we're walking to go home. My little brother, you know, he's so tall and he's running away from me. Watch how I have to put my hand by my little brother. Y'all, I'm short. I'm really short. Yes, you're like I stopped to take a pic by flowers, some nice flowers there. As you know me, I have to take out photos. Like, look at that, beautiful. Hey guys, so now I'm waterfront. I'm exhausted. Y'all, the sun is setting and that looking so beautiful. Like y'all cannot see from the back of me. I will show y'all in a minute. So hold on. Guys, y'all, like just look at the sunsets. That looks so beautiful. Like I'm this close to the edge and I'm scared. But the sunset is so beautiful. Like I love it. That's like something nice to, you know, while we're walking to look at. So could see the beagles passing. They go and leave me right over there. So yes, but it's the view for me.